Good evening, guys. Welcome back for another question from the topic matrices. And let's see what's the question. What does our question say? So, we are given a matrix A and we are given a matrix B, and we have to compute 3A minus 5B. So, this is a pretty straightforward question. So, let's talk about the properties that we are going to use in this question. The first property is that when we multiply a constant k to a given matrix, say A, then that constant is multiplied to every element of that matrix. That is k into aij for every I comma j. This is the first property. And the second property that we are going to use is that whenever we have to add or subtract two matrices, then their corresponding elements are added. That is, aij and bij are added or subtracted as required for every I comma j. So let's straightforward dive into the question and see the solution. Okay, so first let me erase this part. Okay, so now we get 3a minus v, so we multiply 3 into the matrix A, this was our A matrix, and 5 into matrix B. So 3 is multiplied to every element of this matrix and 5 is multiplied to every element of this matrix. Let us move to the next slide. So when we multiply 3 to the A, we get our 3A matrix somehow as this, and 5A matrix that looks like this. Now we use a second property that when we have to subtract 5, this is B, sorry. When we have to subtract 5b from 3a, then their corresponding elements will be subtracted. And if we see closely, then all the elements of both the matrices are equal. So we get our matrix as null matrix. So our final answer is a null matrix. So I hope you all got it. Thank you.